Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to cook bitter leaf blacksoup. Bitter leaf blacksoup is a very special soup. It is a great medicine to the stomach and to the entire body. It's a great detoxifier, dysentery and constipation fighter. I say that the soup is effective in the treatment of high blood sugar and high blood pressure, but I don't have much evidence on that yet. There are things you need to know about bitter leaf blacksoup. 1. Bitter leaf blacksoup is a high budget soup. For the soup to come out delicious, it requires enough proteins. Crayfish and fermented locust beans is a must use. That will help you to reduce your seasoning cubes. When I'm cooking bitter leaf blacksoup, I like the vegetable blend and the banga to be in almost the same ratio. That's when it's more effective. You can try that as well, or let the banga to be a bit more, but just make sure you are using enough bitter leaf and the little scent leaf. The soup to be very fast. You can use thickener like pounded yam, that's the best option, but bitter leaf soup doesn't take much time to take, so you can omit that. You can also top up with red oil if you want. Just continue watching. Everything has been explained in this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and remember to click on the notification bell. I just started the leftover series, so stay tuned to see the magic I do with my leftover food. I'll be uploading that on Tuesdays. If you have any question or feedback, please put that in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.